Hi, I'm Jackson with Marshall Electronics here at InfoComm 2018. I want to show you our new CV502 U3 miniature camera. This is a small USB 3.0 camera, has interchangeable lenses, includes a locking USB 3.0 port on the back here. Once you screw this in, you don't have to worry about the cable accidentally unplugging. It's machined aluminum, solid body here. Comes with an adjustable clip. Lenses, as I mentioned, are interchangeable, giving you the ability to dial in your shot, your angle of view, your focal length, set your shot here. Also has built-in digital zoom, so you have a lot of versatility on your camera angle. Includes a 3-meter USB 3.0 cable, broadcast adjustable settings including white balance, pedestal, gamma, frame rate. It's 1920 by 1080p 60, all the way down to 30 frames per second. It's a great little camera for podcasting, for web conferencing, any sort of application that you want to run through your laptop or your PC. The Marshall CV502 U3 is the way to go.